This video is the first of a three-part series of how to do the embroidery for the center of this flower petal motif that I am making for my Stella McCartney inspired sweater. Okay, so today we are going to be using a white wool. I got this from KnitPicks, probably 5 years ago. To be honest, it's just been in my stash this entire time. So I thought, what a better way to use this scheme than to create this beautiful embroidery with it, and let me show you how to do it. So this is the last final petal in the sweater, and I am completely shocked with how fast this has gone. And I'm kind of also sad about it because I was having way too much fun creating this sweater. But all good things must come to an end, and I thought, why not do this with all of you guys who have been following me and supporting me through this entire time, and show you how to do it. So if you want to make it, go for it. You know what? It would make a really cool market bag with a mesh inner layer, a blanket. There's so many options, and if you want to do this and design your own, I would love to see it. So please tag me if you do. All right, let us get on with this show. Let me show you what I have in order to create this and what you need. Let's do this.
Here's what you'll need for this flower petal motif. 5 flower petals stitched or crocheted together. I'll show you how to make the petals in a video after this 3-part series. A tapestry needle. Two other contrasting yarns. One for the center circle, and one to add a little chaos and color contrast to the flower itself. Alright, first things first. Grab your yarn and thread it through your needle. You'll need about an arm's length to start. We're going to double it up, tie a little knot at the end, and then anchor it right to the back of the flower, right in the middle where all the petals meet. Next, you're going to do your first stitch. Bring your needle up through the center of the flower, just off to the left edge of the petal you're working on. Stitch in a spot that you like, then move your thread, which should now be at the back, into the next spot towards the front, and take it straight down into the center of the flower. Your spots should never meet, but sometimes they will, and that's okay. Nature's chaotic like that. Keep doing this in the round, making sure your second stitch is either higher or lower than your first, and that your thread goes directly through the center every single time on its return. Move from left to right as you work your way around, all the way around the flower. Watch your tension. Always give the material a little tug so you know the flower petal has enough space to lay flat. If you pull too tight, just go back and rework it to loosen it up. Anchor your work. Make sure you're always securing your thread in the back every single time you need to change it. Tie it in and tie it off again at the center piece of the back. What's your favorite color? Comment below. Oops, how did that get there? No worries. If you make a mistake like I did, just tie it into a knot or knot and anchor it back to the center. Drink water. Anchor your work. Oops, my thread got all twisted. All good. Slow it down. Breathe, relax, and slowly unwind. Cover any empty space. Anchor, knot. And you're all done the first step.
That was the first part of this tutorial. Join me tomorrow for the center, and then the next day for the actual color contrast. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and it was easy enough for you guys to follow along. Key points to remember: always anchor your work, always knot it, always anchor it. It's very important. It will make the piece last longer, as well as go through that center. Go through it. You got to push through it, and that will just create a very beautiful, uniform, fun, chaotic, but structured look. Alright, so join me tomorrow for when I do the center bullseye.
Thanks for watching.